Hey,
Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super cool to share with you, a little project I'm calling EmoVisual. It's a simple yet aesthetic emotion detector coded in Python using Pygame that transforms emotion inputs into a stunning, dynamic visual representation. Imagine it as an interactive mood canvas that not only looks awesome, but could also have real-world applications, like a public health art installation. Let me break it all down for you and show what's happening here. So, the idea is simple but impactful. The program lets users submit their emotions like anger, sadness, joy, fear, and love. Each emotion is represented by a unique color: red, blue, yellow, green, pink. The inputted emotions then swirl together into this gorgeous, fluid visual, where the most dominant emotion takes over the canvas. Here's where it gets fun. Imagine this concept turned into a real-world installation in a city plaza. People walk up, press a button to share their mood, and the installation lights up, blending all those emotions together to show the mood of the day in real time. Public art meets mental health awareness, right? Let's explain the code. We got the Pygame library handling the display, and NumPy and SciPy for all the math magic, like Gaussian blur. The screen is 1000 times 600 pixels, and every pixel helps to display the emotion map. Each emotion, anger, sadness, joy, fear, and love, is assigned a color. When you press keys 1 to 5, you add points to the corresponding emotion. These inputs generate random blobs of color on the canvas. The blobs grow in size and intensity based on how many times you press the key for that emotion. Here's where the magic happens. In each frame, the program uses a Gaussian blur to smooth out the blobs into a dreamy, liquid-like effect. It also blends previous frames with the new ones, creating this hypnotic, ever-shifting visual that feels alive. There's a little heads-up display in the corner that shows the current count of each emotion so you can see the exact mood breakdown in numbers. Think about this. What if your city had a giant interactive light sculpture that represented the collective mood of the people walking by? Citizens could press buttons for how they're feeling, and the sculpture would shift its colors accordingly. By the end of the day, it'd show the dominant emotion of the community: a bright red glow if it was a tough day, or a sunny yellow if everyone was feeling great. It's art, but it also makes you think about the emotional health of the people around you. One more thing. If you're into this kind of vibe, check out my other project, Emotion Sphere. It's another version of this concept, but takes the visuals to a 3D space, perfect for anyone who loves immersive experiences. Links are in the description. That's it for today's project, folks. If you liked this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, or maybe even try coding it yourself. Let me know in the comments what emotions you'd add or what real-world application you'd use this for. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.